Rosenshine's sixth principle is about the importance of checking for understanding. He believed that checking student understanding at each step of the learning process will make student learning less error prone.
Checking for understanding often leads to students explaining their answers in a bit more depth and a bit more detail. Doing so helps them to remember it. And another added benefit, if they have got the answer wrong, this is really valuable information for us to know, because that encourages us to reteach it to them.
To show how easy it is for confusion and ambiguity to take hold if you don't check for understanding, let's do a quick experiment. In this experiment, I'm going to show you a person, and all I want you to do is to jot down on a piece of paper which direction is this man facing.
Now, some people see the man looking sideways. Others see the man looking dead on, whereas some people can see him looking in both directions at the same time. And that's what makes checking for understanding so important. If I didn't check for understanding, it might lead to confusion and misunderstandings, which could be problematic later on. As you can see, we think online teacher CPD should be
research-based,
practical,
value for money,
really fun to do.
and if this sounds exactly what you want for your staff, then go to the InnerDrive Online Academy now.